name is Lisa, and I'm going to be covering some geometry problems, and we're going to start with area basics. So our first problem is, a small square is entirely contained in a larger square as shown. The side length of the small square is 3 units, and the side length of the larger square is 7 units. What is the number of square units in the area of the black region? So they're asking for everything in the black region, and they do not want the white. So the formula for an area for a rectangular square is base times height. And all you have to do is take everything and subtract out the white one, which we do not want. So base times height, and we already know one length, which is the same as the other lengths. And base times height is 7 square, or 7 times 7, which is 49. And now you have to take out the white region, which is 3 times 3, or 3 square, which is 9. So the area of the black region is 40. Our second problem is regions 1, 2, and 3 are bounded by squares. The perimeter of the region 1 is 12, and the units 12 units, and the perimeter of region 2 is 24 units. What is the ratio of the area of region 1 to region 3? Express your answer as a common fraction. So it's a square, and they told us the perimeter, and the perimeter is counting around it. So we need to divide by 4 because there's 4 sides to find the length of one side. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So one side is 3. And we also have to do that to region 2 because one length from each of them is equal to one length of region 3. So 4 divided by 24 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. So one side is 9, and the formula is base times height. So 9 square, or 9 times 9, is 81. And one side is 3, so 3 square, or 3 times 3, is 9. And 9 goes into 9 one time. 9 goes into 81 9 times. So our answer is 1/9. Our third problem is, a square and a triangle have the same area. If the square has a side length of 6 units and the triangle has a base of 8 units, what is the length in its units of the altitude to that base of the triangle? So both triangle and square have the same answer, or area. And we want the area of we need to find the area to know what they equal to. And the area of the square is 36 because one length is 6, and 6 square, or 6 times 6, is 36. Now the formula for a triangle, or the area, is half times base times height. Now the base is 8, multiply it by 1/2 is 4, and 4 times the height, which we do not know, is equal to 36. So 4x is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 4. The 4 crosses out, leaving us with x. 4 goes into 36 9 times. So x is equal to 9. The height is 9. And if we check our work, 1/2 times 8 times 9. 2 goes in 8 4 times. 4 times 9 is 36. Our final question is about angles. An isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals AC, point D lies on AB such that CD equals CB. If angle ADC is equal to 115, what is ACD? So we fill in what we already know, which is AB is equal to AC, so we mark that. And we also know that CD is equal to CB. And we know that ADC is 115. Well, if we know that the sides are equal, then the angles must also be equal. And we can find this because the supplement of 115 is 65, 180, minus 115 is 65. And the sides are equal, so this also must be 65. This is also 65, but they only want this. So we also know that the triangle must add up to 180, and 65 plus 65 is 130. And 180 minus 130 is 50. And we know this whole thing is 65, but this part is 50. So 65 minus 50 is 15. That's our answer.